In today's lesson, we're going to learn nouns. As you probably know, there are a lot of words in a sentence, and most of them are nouns. And we have different kinds of nouns. We have common nouns, we have proper nouns, we have abstract nouns. So I hope that you guys can spend some more time working on nouns later. But in today's lesson, I just want to focus on countable and uncountable nouns. Okay, so have a look at this short paragraph and tell me which ones are countable and which one are uncountable. So for countable nouns, could you please underline the words? And for uncountable nouns, please circle them. Alright, so here comes my answers. Right, we have 17 countable nouns and 12 uncountable nouns. Okay, you will see. Now for the first sentence, we have fact, products, right? And sources, people, products, all right? Reason, dietitians, people, servings, group, day, glass, cup, ounce, egg, items, and the last one, items. Very good. So these are countable nouns. And we have uncountable nouns. Milk, yogurt, cheese, calcium, protein, milk and yogurt again, protein, meat, cheese, health, and fat. Good job. Alright, so you can see most of the nouns here have articles before them. Articles en if it is a singular noun, and they will have s after the word. Okay, for example, these two words have s endings. Alright, so these are called countable nouns. That means it takes plural forms. Okay, that's great. However, there are some exceptions to the rule. For example, have dinner, in school, at home, at work, by bus or by train, by phone or by credit card. Right? So these are idiomatic expressions. They don't take s after the words. Okay? That's great. Okay, so how about plural nouns? Plural count nouns. You just simply add s to the singular nouns. Okay? I'm going to give you some examples to demonstrate how plural nouns are formed. For example, a dog will become dogs. A flower becomes flowers. A shirt becomes shirts. A lecturer becomes lecturers. A course becomes courses. Well done. However, we still have some irregular plural nouns. Okay, so that means we cannot add s after the words. We have to change it, okay, or change them into other forms. Okay, I'm going to give you some examples. So here are some irregular plural nouns you often see or hear in daily conversations and in writing. Okay, the first one we have man. Right? So man becomes men. Okay, that means we change a into e. That's great. The next one, fish becomes fish. Okay, child becomes children. Foot becomes feet. Tooth becomes teeth. Right. And the next, criterion becomes criteria. Datum becomes data. Phenomenon becomes phenomena. Very good. And the last one, species becomes species. The same, okay? All right. Also, please notice that a few plural nouns do not have a singular form. That means it's always in plural forms, okay? So let's have a look at these examples. We have glasses, pants, jeans, scissors, tongues, clothes, and shoes. So remember, these are always in plural form. Good job. Okay, so next we move on to the formation of plural nouns. Okay, so for nouns which end in a consonant plus the letter Y, okay, we change the letter Y into letter I, and then we simply add the ending ES after the word. Let's have a look at these 4 examples. The first one is spy. Okay, how can we change it? Alright, so we change the letter Y into letter I, and then add ES. So we have spies. Good job. The next one, lady. Alright, ladies. Very good. Photocopy becomes photocopies. Theory becomes theories. Very good. So how about nouns which have vowel and the letter Y? Alright, you just simply add letter S after the words. So we have tray. Alright, so tray is changed into trays. Very good. Monkey. Right? Monkeys. Survey. Surveys. Key. Keys. Boy. Boys. Very good. All right. So next, how about nouns which end in S, double S, SH, CH, X, and Z? All right, we only add ES after the words. So let's have a look at these examples. Class becomes classes. Very good. Bush becomes bushes. Bench becomes benches. Bus becomes buses. Box becomes boxes. The next one. Quiz becomes quizzes. Very good. All right. So, how about uncountable nouns? Normally, we see uncountable nouns when we mention liquid or gases. Okay, for example, we have water, air, beer, milk, oil, petrol, oxygen, hydrogen. Okay, very good. And sometimes we can see nouns when we talk about weather phenomena, fields of study, academic subjects at the university, raw materials as input to produce something, abstractions, and sports. All right, so please have a look at these examples. All right, we have rain, a hot weather, economics, linguistics, physics, statistics as the fields of study or academic subjects at school or university. Plastic, leather, silver. All right, so they are raw materials. How about abstractions? We have liberty, happiness, luck, life, love. Very good. And the last one, sports. Soccer, volleyball, cricket, and rugby. Okay, that's great. And of course, you should not skip some plural uncountable nouns you often misuse when you use them, right? So we have furniture, all right? So when we talk about tables and chairs, those words can take plural forms, but when it refers to furniture in general, we should not or we must not add s after the word, okay? So furniture. Advice, homework, equipment, and information. Well done. Okay, so we've just learned how singular nouns are used in writing and in speech, and of course, how to form plural nouns. And you should also bear in mind some irregular nouns so that you can use them properly in conversations and in writing. Thank you so much. See you next time.